Hi, I'm Matt Ranaudo, and today I'm going to teach you how to fade your beard. Before trimming a thick beard, use a styling comb to get the knots out. First, you're going to want to grab your favorite guide comb. The recommended one is the number 3. I like to keep my beard a little bit longer, so I'm just going to go right into fading it. Before you get down to your chin, you're going to want to blend the two sections using an upwards rocking motion. To create a tighter look, attach your number 1 guide comb to your trimmer. And then you're going to want to trim below your jawline. Now to edge and clean up your beard, you're going to want to remove the guide comb completely. Starting from the bottom of your beard working up to your ears all around your beard, we're going to trim away some of those flyaways. Once that's all done, use your shaver attachment to trim below your beard. And once you're done, you're going to want to use a little Wahl beard balm to shape and hold your freshly trimmed beard.